What is up, guys? Danny J TCG back again with another video. Today we are going to do 8 packs. We're going to do an art set of Cosmic Eclipse and also an art set of Evolutions. So up here we're going for Blastoise, Piplup, and then the babies. Down here we're looking for any of the starters, preferably Charizard. Trying to get some nice cards together, send in, see if we can get those PSA 10s. We're going to send in some cards, and then we're going to do a PSA return video when we get them. Super stoked about that. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go every other. So I'm going to start with Cosmic Eclipse. So we got Guess the Energy on this side. We'll say Fairy, Psychic, Beast-Type, Tag Call, Datrix, Snorunt, Rockruff, Deerling, Teddiursa, Golett, Pyroar for the reverse, and a Whale Lord. Non-holographic rare. X and Y. So there's no Guess the Energy, but we're starting off with Fire on that side. Full Heal reminds me of base set. One day I will open a pack of base set on this channel, along with Jungle, Fossil, one of the Gym Heroes and Gym Challenge, and last but not least, Team Rocket. Pokédex, Voltorb, Sandshrew, Poliwag, Diglett, Seal, Porygon Reverse, and a full art Brock's Grit trainer card. That's what I like to see, guys. Go back with over here, Sun and Moon Cosmic Eclipse. Still nothing on this side, guys. We'll say Water, Fighting, Larvesta, Floette, Roxy, Swirlix, Kricketot, Woobat, Ducklet, Helioptile, Tangrowth for the reverse, and a Galele. On another note, guys, the other day I did run into Pokemon Ash from Motivation Nation. I'm going to link his channel below. Don't forget to go check him out, guys. Tell him we want some more content from him. He's been slacking. Tell him you want to see a collab with Danny J TCG. Also, check out my TikTok. Trainer, Magmar, Venusaur Spirit Link, Nidoran, Ponyta, Doduo, Pikachu, Staryu, Kakuna for the reverse, and a Starmie. This is one of the cards we want to pull, guys. Still nothing on this side, guys. These are out of a booster box, and haven't gotten anything out of this booster box. Anything I need to consider changing where I buy my booster boxes from. This is like the third one in a row that we've gotten nothing really good. Coughing, Misty's Determination, Revive, Magnemite, Pikachu, Machop, Weedle, Doduo, Unlisted Leaf Energy, and Eradicate. Cosmic Eclipse. Last pack for this side, guys. Can we get even one No, we can't. That is not good, guys. Rotom, Erica, Jolteon, Carvanha, Tepig, Togedemaru, Onix, Wailmer. Ooh, we got a Piplup character card. It's probably the best thing we're going to get. Yep, that's the best thing we're going to get out of Cosmic Eclipse this time. Can we get a last pack magic, guys? Comment down below what you think we're going to get. We got a green and white. I want to give a shout out to Steven. Me and him have done a couple pack battles on TikTok. Check those out. I will link that down below as well. Haunter, Flying Pikachu with the Secret Rare, Growlithe, Nidoran, Vulpix, Sandshrew, Ponyta, Charizard Spirit Link. Is that a good sign, guys? Zapdos, Holofoil. Not bad, guys. We ended on a decent note. We got one pull out of Cosmic Eclipse. We started it off good on this side with a full art trainer. Ended with this Zapdos Holofoil. This honestly doesn't look that bad. Maybe I'll consider sending this one in. You never know. You might see this. Until next time, guys, stay safe.